Sounds of Decay 3, Axamenta, Spires. 2024 is proving to be a fascinating year in avant metal releases, with titles like Uncle Acid and the Deadbeats, faux Italian horror score, Nel Ora Blue, to Camerata Medialanese's ambitious Adelana Fusions record we just discussed. Enter long-running Belgian industrial black metal degenerates, Axamenta, a moniker that seems to have shed all the original members that formed the band way back in 1993.
Like Foreigner.
Spires is their latest EP, comprised of 7 songs, or acts, that span about 20 minutes.
There's a great deal of tomfoolery to be found here, from ravaging Thorn-style grimness to the spoken word passages to bright vocals reminiscent of John Anderson from Yes. Fans of Divergence like Dodheim's Guard or Aberim are likely already filing in for this latest everything but the kitchen sink offering from the 6-piece, who have recently become quite adept at creating trailer music for movies such as Old in 2021, Prey in 2022, and The Pope's Exorcist last year. It's a restless collection of sinister black metal rasps, pop-adjacent clean vocals, symphonic key swells, and herky tempo changes around every corner. In case you're not confused enough, the EP is even packaged to look like a film score.
This sextet know how to pack a lot into a 20-minute space. Take a track like Act 2, Pulpit, a track filled with blackened chugs and sinister grunts from vocalist Peter Magnickens. Somehow the occasional clean vocals avoid detracting from the metalness on full display here. As the disc plays out, it becomes apparent that the Axamenta gang are all but fearless, particularly in the last 2 tracks. Gallery cycles through some absolutely crushing riff-craft blended with larger-than-life symphonic melodies, sidestepping into clean vocals at the midpoint that even flirt with auto-tune for one of the disc's many "how did we get here" moments.
I couldn't believe it. The juxtaposition of guttural bark and AOR-adjacent clean vocals in the closer Spires must be heard to be believed. It's like Shagrath wandered into the studio to help with the latest Toto album or something. What can I say? If you want weird, you got it. Be sure to check out their short video, How to Drink Tea Like a Man, to get an idea of where Axamenta Gang's heads are at for this EP. So let's play a little bit of Act 7 Spires.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.